Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to sort of another video on the ZVH Fiesta Turbo. It's a bit of a mixed bag today. We're doing a bit, it's the weekend, I've got a few things to sort out, I'm running around and we're going to show you a few special little things today as well, which I think you might all like. So I'm going to crack on doing what I'm doing, got to collect some parts, we'll show you a little treat and another little treat on the way. It's a bit windy out here, guys. Don't see many Orions these days, especially not like this one. He broke it on the way down and I had to go and source a clutch arm for him. It's running Cosy interior, fully flocked dash, RS 4-spoke steering wheel. Don't really want his reg on that thing. He said that I can run around it and show you a lot. I thought some of you might like this. Not your average Orion, running Focus RS. He's just had all his gearbox done, big bearings, strengthened gears, quaif diff, running Omex 600 management, Bosch 450cc injectors. I think it's running about 15 psi boost at the moment. And he said, yeah, it's making just over 300 brake. I asked him what this was. Basically, he hooks it onto the bonnet because he's got a habit of flipping. So it's a little safety device is installed there. But what a tool. Very, very nice. And he just broke the clutch arm. So got to replace that. He just managed to nurse it back over here. And then I made a few phone calls and I went and got him another arm quickly so we can get him back on the road. This is something a bit different. This is what happens at the weekend over here. Get to see some nice beauts. The list is just unbelievable of what's been done to this. I can't even remember. So many different things, even down to the side repeaters is changed. And he uses it properly. Needs a clean. He's going, oh man, should have cleaned it. I believe it's a Mazda colour. He had it painted in. Very nice blue. It's hard to see. It's a bit in the shade, to be honest. Focus RS discs. Fiat Coupe wheelwood calipers. Full Cosy rear brake conversion. Huge Cosworths hybrid turbo in there. Oil catch tank. Loads of goodies. Right, on to the next one. We've got a few more beauties here to show you today. Walking over to my mate's place. Ah, you might remember this. Let me turn you around and show you this quickly. Some of my very first videos. I've got this little bath. I didn't even get a chance to finish this. He built it off me. Lovely little thing. This is the one that had the bent wheel and the mangled rear quarter. He just got his PDR man on it, straightened all the rear quarter and sorted that out. He's just finishing up his van. He's just put the Touran V2 front end on his little detailing van. Some 1552 tarmacs, 19-inch wheels on it. Looks really nice. He's just having a full livery done on this one. This is his detailing van. And I'm sure I've mentioned him before. Reflect Automotive Detailing. If any of you have seen that, I'll put a link in the description. Sounds like he's busy. Let's show you the next beaut. Hello. Here he is. All right. And yeah, as you can see, sorry mate, I'm filming, say hello. How are we doing? This is Dan at Reflect Automotive Detailing, and he's just got our mate's beaut in for a little bit of swirl removal, a little bit of a polish. I'll give you a walk around to show you this one. Lovely 3-door. And some lovely BBS rims on it. Very nice example. Let me put it on widescreen, see if I can get round the back there. Thought some of you might like this. Bit of weekend antics. Lovely little thing. I'm imposing on him working. Sorry, mate.
Getting the pad out.
Let's get this bonnet open. I'll show you. It's blooming hot in here, isn't it?
It is, mate. Tin roof.
Very nice example, this one. He does like to keep it clean. He's just come in here for an enhancement. It started getting a few swirls in the paint, and you know.
And you said he's washed it like 4 times in 4 years, so.
Oh, was it 4? Yeah, 4. Yeah, it makes you sound. You just probably heard 4 times in 4 years. He's just.
That's got swirls, and then we've
Doing a bit of swirl removal there.
come back.
It's hard to see your light in it. Oh yeah, I can see it now. I'm following it. There you go.
Get some of the nasty swirls.
Yeah.
And then finish it with a nice wax.
Make it look nice. I don't think they expect anything less on my channel now, Dan. I show them all the toys. It is lovely. I don't even want to touch that steering wheel. Looks like brand new. You haven't cleaned in here, have you yet? No.
Going to do a nice interior, carpets mostly.
75,000. That's original and all this one. What is that to up there? Auto finesse. I don't think so, mate. Hold on, guys. I've got to resolve this. This is. Sorry, we don't have jank detailing products in here. Hold on a second. Sorry, mate. I'll be back in a sec.
Oh, mate, go on.
Is this open? I hope so. Where are we? Yeah, we don't like scene stuff. Evasion. There we go. Let's get some proper products in this motor. Won't be able to sleep tonight knowing that that's in there, Dan. Yeah, I've just spied it. We'll have some real products in there and a real bit of air freshener. Thank you very much. Sorry about that, guys. Some of you if you're a detailer, and you'll know. If you're not, you won't understand what that means. But yeah, back on track. Oh, sorry, I see an auto finesse air freshener. I had to go in the bin.
Yeah, mate, no.
What a lovely thing. Smells nice in there now. What's the order of the day on here? So you're just doing a bit of light correction.
Yeah, so
swirl
I'm mostly
removal.
using medium compound
Yeah.
for a decent cut, because the paint is decent to work with. It's not too hard.
Yes,
not too
it's
soft.
lovely paint. Yeah, it's been done very nice.
Yeah, the painter who painted this has done an amazing job.
Pete, yeah, he's a very, very good painter. Done very well.
Pretty much zero oil appeal in it.
Very nice. Just the general usage, you know. You
general usage.
you get a bit of marring and a bit of swirls, don't you?
Get rid of that, and then put a nice ceramic-based wax on it.
Yeah. What wax you chucking on this one, just so they know?
Yeah, I'm going to use Auto Bright's Ballad. So
Okay.
It's a ceramic-based wax.
Yeah.
Fantastic. It's 6 to 12 months durability.
Right, so it's going to do him well, yeah.
Incredible beading, and it will obviously enhance the gloss a bit more. So
Yeah. I mean, in all honesty, mate, it looks really nice.
it looks super clean. Anyway.
Yeah, and it says just general usage and where it's been stored and stuff. Very light hazing, I suppose.
Yeah, no. I'm turning the lights off and
Yeah, you can show them. Yeah.
yeah. You can just see. Nice get
Let me
close.
try and. Okay, yeah, I can see swirls there. If you want to put the torch in front. So we're just trying to.
Yeah.
So this is just general usage, but obviously the owner, as you would, you want it
Something
immaculate.
like this, yeah. You want it pristine.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's
comes
really,
with the front.
really not bad at all.
So that's the bit. One of the bits we've done. You can see now it's pretty much
That's flawless now.
perfect. Once it's got a wax on it to protect it, it'll
Yeah.
be good to go.
And I'm only but presuming that he's going for a ceramic wax rather than a ceramic coating because he likes to clean it and polish it.
The guy likes to clean it himself, he likes to wax it. Obviously you can keep on top of the wax.
Yeah.
Once you actually ceramic coated it properly,
you can't really do much. No, that's right, yeah. So,
it limits it.
There we go, guys. I mean, if you do have a car like this and you want it ceramic coated, yeah, it will help a lot. But like he's saying, if you like waxing your car, cleaning your car, and as you can tell, Adam likes cleaning this a lot. So he's literally just had a wash and been brought in and he started working on it. Guys, I just thought I'd show you the Cosy in case some of you wanted to see it. I know you don't expect anything less from our channel, all sorts of motors crop up. I've got to go and crack on. We will get some bits done for this Fiesta today. It is red hot in here. He's got a metal tin roof and it is red hot outside as well, and I'm melting. So I'm going to let him carry on doing his work, getting this thing looking beautiful. If any of you haven't seen his YouTube channel, I did put a link in before. I'll put a link in the description and go and see him on his social medias and all. He's reflex.automotive detailing. Well worth a look. He does some really nice vehicles as well. And yeah, let's crack on. Let's get some work done. Right, I'm back over here. We need to make some progress with this. I've got to get some work done today. And that's a bit of a random video today, but I thought some of you guys might like to see some of them. You always comment about all the different cars, and yeah, it's just how it goes. So yes, no more waffling. Let's get cracking. See you in a bit. Right, I've decided not to time lapse this. I'm going to grind this out and repair this with my spotter. So I don't know what the sound will be like. I don't know whether it'll be noisy. This is straight off my GoPro. I don't normally use the GoPro for filming. So I'm going to get rid of the filler and find out what's underneath, and then we'll try and repair it. We had a ding there and a ding there, and that whole thing was skimmed to filler. No ding. Then we have a ding open. Panel's on a curve, yeah? So you have to ignore that. We're looking at the straight bit here. We're doing section by section. You see it just opened up a little hole there? Right there where my thumb is. That little bit of daylight is your dent. And then it goes as you come up to the top.
I'm going to go about putting this dent out. That's just automatically welding itself on. Little tug, little twist. And again. And just the outside of it.
So, this dent is all good. No gap it's where my thumb is basically. There's no gap, that's all good. Obviously you've got to have some, it's a rounded panel, so you've got some movement, so you have to look at the area that you are. Much better. So now what I'm going to do is put a light skim of finishing putty across that, and then that's that sorted. Here you go, guys, just finished blocking that down. So it's had two very light skims. You can see literally how minimal materials in there. It's pretty much see-through. This is just a bit of dolphin glaze. It's all guide coated and blocked straight. So a lot less material in there. By the time that's had a bit of primer on it, you've got little to no chance of that ever shrinking or mucking up. So I've now got to spend God knows how many hours removing the rest of this paint and primer from it, but at least that one's done. Hopefully I don't find no more. There we have it. That's all I wanted to achieve today, was to get that filler out and see how bad it was. So never really had a day's work planned for today, but I wanted to show you some of the goodies. Hope some of you like that. Bit of a not much on the Fiesta day, I'm afraid, but it is what it is, and I thought I'll do another little video for you guys. I was dying to grind that out and see how bad it was and what it was. So that's all sorted now. I'm just going to sand all of that, get that sorted out. This is the only panel with micro blisters, so I know this is going to be a pain in the butt. The rest of it's fine, a few silicons to deal with, but nothing like this. So that's all good. As always, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Loads more videos coming. And we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.